This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage message requests on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Message requests might become frustrating and limit your productivity. And on top of that, the constant alerts regarding DM requests may be annoying. And what if you want to turn off or manage your message requests on your Instagram DM? Maybe you don't want get any message requests from anyone, so you want to turn off the message request. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Here, when someone you don't follow on Instagram sends you message, the message will be added to message request here. You can see on your DM, you can open your DM here and see there is an option request, message request. You can tap on that and you will see all the message requests in here. But what if you don't want to get any message requests from anyone on Instagram, especially for someone you don't follow on Instagram? It's so simple. So you can tap on your profile. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. Now you can tap on message and story replies. Now you can tap on message controls. So here you can decide whether message requests go to your chat list, your message request folder, or whether to receive them at all. You can, if you want to manage your message requests from your followers on Instagram, potential connection, you can tap on here. And if you don't want to get message requests, you can just tap on don't receive requests here. So this will also turn off requests from other on Instagram. You won't receive new message requests from anyone on Instagram. You can tap on update settings. So message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message request. Now you won't get that. And if you it's automatically also changed the setting for the others on Instagram, like people don't follow you and you don't following them also will be like this. You won't get any message requests from them. If you don't receive from your people follow you but you don't follow, will be automatically set the same settings. So that is how to manage message requests on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.